with the blessings of the Masters, it is a great opportunity to witness this exhibition. And on behalf of Saman Kirpal Rohini Mission, Kirpal Ashram, Bhavan number 15, Sector 24C, Chandigarh, we, the whole Sangat from the ashram, had a golden opportunity to visit the great exhibition. I have the pleasure and great privilege to witness the rare collection of paintings covering wide range of reality in life with excellent mythological, religious and spiritual message. Each and every work is ultimate creation in itself, beyond the scope of explanation and understanding at the normal mental level. I had a great understanding of inner spiritual higher planes coupled with excellent workmanship, showing rare talent with the divine blessings of great spiritual masters of the mission, Sant Kirpal Singh Ji Maharaj, Sant Darshan Singh Ji Maharaj, and living gracious master, Sant Rajinder Singh Ji Maharaj, under the benign guidance of Murshid-e-Azam, Baba Saman Singh Ji Maharaj. No doubt, it is not possible to print or paint divinity on paper or canvas. But today, after seeing the deep devotion coupled with creativity which is coming out of each and every portrait, we feel pride in admitting that divinity is coming out of all the great creations with the blessings of the great masters of the mission. Sky is the limit outwardly, and inner substance is the limit inwardly, with best wishes from all of us.